Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove saved login info from Facebook. So in order to do so, first of all launch Facebook app on your mobile device. Then you'll come across various profiles saved on your Facebook app. Now tap on the three dots that you see at the top right corner. Now over here tap on the option of remove profiles from this device. Now over here, tap on the option of remove beside the profile you want to delete. Now over here, the next time you wish to log in to your account, you would need to enter your email and password. So just tap on remove. And if you go back, you can see that specific account has been deleted from your saved login infos on your Facebook app. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.